Want to learn how to use the SeaBus? I'll show you here on Travel Tricks. Before I get started, thank you for watching this video, and I hope you will subscribe to my channel, as I'm always trying to help make your next vacation the best one. Being on the West Coast, Vancouver has so many beautiful places to see, and when you have a compass card or day pass, you're welcome to come aboard a SeaBus. If you don't know how to get one, I'll send links at the end of this video on how to get a day pass. The SeaBus crosses the Burrard Inlet, connecting downtown Vancouver to North Vancouver. To start this journey with your compass card or day pass, you come to the beautiful Waterfront Station, built in 1910. You scan your card to open the gates to enter towards the platform. Waterfront Station is the sole northern terminal station of Canada Line, as well as the West Coast Express, Expo Line, and where we are going on the SeaBus. Continuing on our journey, you will walk down a long walkway. You will notice Canada Place to your left. From here, you continue to walk forward. As you get closer, you will approach the landing bay, and you'll turn to the right to wait for boarding. You stand in front of one of the boarding bays. Once the door is open, you follow an order and walk towards the SeaBus. Once you walk over the platform and wait your turn, you'll find yourself aboard, and from here, you could find yourself the right seat. There are plenty of windows everywhere to enjoy the view along the way. The journey will take 12 minutes, so you can sit back and enjoy the ride. Once we dock, you leave out the doors and walk out into the arrival bay. You keep walking until you turn left and then go up the ramp towards the transit bus terminal. The SeaBus boards new passengers every 15 minutes, during the day, 7 days a week, and it runs from day to night. Then you go to the front of the SeaBus station and scan your compass card or day pass, and then you have arrived at Lonsdale Quay in North Vancouver. From here you can enjoy the many eateries or stores at the quay, or enjoy a day checking out the shops and places in North Vancouver. If you want to see the video how to get a day pass or how to use a SkyTrain, check out these videos. And thank you for watching this video. I hope you subscribe to this channel, Travel Tricks, as I'm trying to help you to make your next vacation the best one. Thank you.